Most contractors get this decision wrong. They pick software based on popularity instead of what actually fits their business model. And that mistake leads to wasted money, messy workflows, and frustrated teams. Here's the truth no one tells you. Knowify and Jobber are not really competing tools in the same way. They're built for different types of service businesses, even though they both handle scheduling, jobs, and payments. Quick promise. In this video you'll clearly understand the difference between Knowify and Jobber in 2026, what each tool is best at, and which one makes more sense for your specific business type. Let's start simple. Knowify is built mainly for contractors and construction-focused businesses. Think remodeling companies, HVAC installers, electricians, and specialty trades. For example, someone like John who runs a small renovation company needs strong job costing. He wants to know exactly how much labor and materials cost on every project. That is where Knowify shines. Now Jobber is different. Jobber is built for home service businesses that focus on scheduling and customer management. Think cleaning services, lawn care, plumbing maintenance, or small repair teams. Someone like Alex, who runs a local cleaning business, cares more about booking jobs quickly, sending reminders, and getting paid fast. Jobber is designed exactly for that kind of workflow. But here's the problem. If you try to force the wrong tool into the wrong business, things break down quickly. Contractors using Jobber often complain about limited job costing. Meanwhile, service businesses using Knowify sometimes feel overwhelmed by construction-style features they don't need. Now here's where it gets interesting. The real difference is depth versus simplicity. Knowify goes deep into project costing, budgeting, and financial tracking. It helps you understand profit on every single job. Jobber stays focused on speed, automation, and customer experience. Let's talk usability. Jobber is generally easier to set up. Most teams can start using it quickly without much training. Knowify takes more time to learn, but offers more control once you understand it. Integrations are another factor. Both tools connect with accounting software, but Knowify is often preferred by contractors who rely heavily on job-level accounting. Jobber is more focused on CRM-style workflows and customer communication. So which one is better in 2026? It depends entirely on your business type. If you are a contractor who needs detailed costing, estimates, and project financial control, Knowify is the stronger choice. But if you run a service-based business that prioritizes scheduling, customer communication, and speed, Jobber is likely the better fit. Here's the bottom line. Knowify is built for control and profitability tracking. Jobber is built for simplicity and fast service delivery. Neither is universally better. The right choice is the one that matches how your business actually runs day to day. If this comparison helped you decide, like the video, drop a comment with your business type, and subscribe for more clear software breakdowns that help you choose without confusion.